everyone, I want to share how to make berobok or corn porridge. My name is Siti Binti Junaidy. Ingredient first, 2 pots of rice, 1 spice of raw chicken breast cut and slice, and 500 spinach, 10 cloves of onion, garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon chicken stock cube, 2 teaspoon black pepper, cilantro, 5 shallot for garnishing, 3 cups of water, 5 corn stick cut and slice, 3 lemon stick, 1 sachet of bunjut flavoring. For safety step, wash your hand before or after handling food. Second, turn off the gas when you are not using the cooking stove. 3, wear safety shoes. And last, put all food in container.
Hello everyone, today I want to tell you how to cook berobok. Berobok is corn porridge. First, turn on the stove. Put the rice in a pot, 3 cups of rice. And then add 3 cups of water the pot. Stir the rice. Cook the rice until it becomes porridge. Stir the porridge and add some garlic. Add the spinach. Stir the porridge until boiling. Add corn. Add meat of chicken. Make sure you cut on cube. Add lemongrass. And sachet of bunjut flavoring. Next, add salt. Black pepper, chicken stock cube to the porridge, and then stir the porridge. Lastly, serve the porridge in a bowl and garnish with some cilantro and fried shallot. Okay, thank you for watching. Enjoy your porridge.